I'm Tyler Henson with the Henson team of Keller Williams Hood Company, where we believe you deserve a better home buying and selling experience, and cookies are for closers. I'm here today at our newest listing, 1625 Springer Road, right here in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. This is one of the most unique homes that I've ever seen. It truly is a work of art. This home is 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, just over 4,000 square feet, including a separate in-law suite. This place has loads of potential and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can start by seeing the outside with this German schmear brick and this custom handcrafted woodworking that makes this place absolutely amazing. Now the outside is really beautiful, but the inside is really where the craftsmanship shines. The details, the custom work, everything is custom. So much hand-carved woodwork. This place is just amazing. This fireplace weighs over 20,000 pounds. They had to reinforce the floors. This hearth is one solid stone taken from a creek right here in Tennessee. These columns in the living area are hand carved out of red oak, and then they're capped off with walnut. These beams also hand carved out of hard maple, and they're absolutely stunning. This kitchen is amazing with all these high-end appliances. The real stunner here is these gorgeous hand-carved cabinets. I absolutely love how they finish these with these leathered granite with this chipped edge, 2 inches of granite right here. I just love the way this feels. I just want to touch everything in here. Oh, it's so beautiful. One thing I really love is this huge island. It's actually just 3 pieces of wood bonded together. This middle strip of wood right here is actually over 200-year-old piece of red oak, and it is gorgeous. And I love this live edge detail. Now there's the master suite downstairs, as well as 2 other bedrooms and 1 other full bath. But what I want to show you is this master bathroom. Come on, let's check it out. This is a great sized master bedroom. This trim work, absolutely stunning. But the real showstopper is in the bathroom. Let's go. The details all pieced together to make up this bathroom truly astound me. You have just this rustic feel in here, from the texturing on the walls to finish on the ceiling in between the beams. There's these doors in the centerpiece of the ceiling. This truly is a piece of art. And then it's also functional. You have this sunken tub that has a waterfall faucet coming right down to fill it up. And you have stairs going straight into this walk-in shower. This truly is remarkable. From the double vanities that are also custom carved, these bowls for the sink. This is not something that you can special order. This is something that was handmade. It truly is a work of craftsmanship. There's closets on each side of the bathroom, but in the closet right behind me, there's something truly special. There's a stairway going right up to a secret room with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. Perfect for you to go up there and read and have your morning coffee and start your day in peace. And then upstairs, you have this full apartment with its own full bath, its own kitchen, own living room, and its own studio bedroom. It also has its own separate entrance. That way you have the possibility of an Airbnb or an in-law suite. There's also another full bath upstairs, as well as a movie room that's currently being used as a kid's bedroom, and then another bedroom that's currently being used as an office. I told you that house was going to be amazing. I knew you were going to love it. If you want to see more, want to find out more, make sure you click the link below. And until next time, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow us, because we're ready to have some more fun and to show you some more houses. I'm Tyler Henson with the Henson team. We believe you deserve a better home buying and selling experience, and cookies are for closers.